Hello guys, be here with Whimsy stamps, and today we're gonna be creating a card for a man, and I'm gonna be using these Cranky Pants word die and this comic burst A2 die set. Also this stamp set, which is so funny, which is called Cranky Pants. I love the goat, it's so funny. And then this paper, which is the Bokeh Bliss, and this is the 6x6 paper pack, and I'm gonna be using this exact paper from the whole pack. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the Comic Burst A2 die set and be back and show you. So here it is after I've cut it, and then I have my card base that I have chosen black cardstock, and don't worry because in the description box below all measurements and everything that I'm using, it's there. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue these down. But before I do that, I want to show you what I did with the Cranky Pants die. So I wanted to create a border for these words so they wouldn't stand alone. And what I did is that when you run your die through your machine, the border is going to indent on your cardstock. I don't know if you can see it right there, I'm showing you. So I ran it twice so it would be really indented, and I just follow around with my scissors and I just got my backgrounds for my letters. So I have chosen colors that are similar to the bokeh paper, and let's glue this down together. Now that my background is glued, we're gonna set this aside and get working on our image. For this part, I am using my Misty just in case I have to re-ink my image. I am using, of course, the goat, and then I'm gonna add the happy birthday. I don't know if Mr. or do you or something like that. Cranky Pants, which is the word die that we cut before. And for this part I am using black memento ink, tuxedo black memento ink, because I'm coloring with alcohol markers and I don't want any messy situation with my ink, and this ink is amazing. Here are my image and a sentiment, and make sure that you check in the top right corner right there because that's where I'm gonna put what markers I'm using. Let's color. And this is how it turned out. Now I'm gonna fussy cut around it and we're gonna put it all together. So here I have all the pieces that we're gonna put on our card: the goat, the words, the sentiment. And notice that I changed the direction of my card because I really wanted to include the goat and the words, and in the other direction, like horizontally, it was not fitting. So for my goat I am using dimensionals, and for the rest I'm using my Bearly Arts glue. And for this part, I'm just finishing my card with some enamel dots that I had in my stash. And this is how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.